We're really looking like chumps. We need to up our games, okay? Ames, you gotta do so. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. No, I'm gonna beat you. Okay, enough thumb war. Now this is hammer war. Okay, this ends now. Way to go, Ames. Hey, I'm in the same side. We're both red. Wait, other me. Before you want to squash me, do you want to cuddle these little duckies? No, no way, Jose. I'm not falling for that. Huh? And he also has little friends. I can't squash these little guys. Look at them. Oh, they're so cute. Oh yeah, I almost forgot that they're also exploding ducks. Wait, what? Owie. Boo! Now you got some knuckles in your face, fool! Ha! Top damn apples. No, Mobius, most awesome. Ow!